Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I know a lot of you girls have come from Jess's channel. You know, we collabed in my previous video. If you guys missed that video, I will have it linked down below for you guys. Thank you to everybody who has come over from her channel and subscribed to mine. All of my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you for coming back again. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 grocery hauls. Last night, me and my family went to Costco and I vlogged a little bit in there. And I did a haul once we got back. Today, my husband's at the grocery store picking up everything that we did not get at Costco. And while he's doing that, I'm going to take the time to do a spot clean in my fridge. It won't be a deep clean. I will save that for a different video. I'm just going to do a spot clean and kind of get things out of there. So in the future, I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean my fridge. I think I'm going to be organizing under my sink in that same video, so stay tuned for that. Get in. Nope, you're getting in. Alright guys, so we're back and I'm just going to do a quick haul of everything we got so I can put it away. We got Frosted Flakes. My son likes to have this after school. Usually his favorite cereal is Raisin Bran and Honey Bunches of Oats. We got this big box of Sun Chips. Huge thing of Downy Unstoppables. I love these. My husband picked up this huge thing of pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, Eggos. These Panko chicken nuggets are so good by Tyson. So we got a big thing of blackberries. We got some sangria with sparkling water, and we really love this brand. A rotisserie chicken, and these, you guys, if you have not had these, you have to get. I don't know why, but they are so good and they're like the best snack ever. So I bought one for the other teachers in my classroom and then one for the house. And then mac and cheese for the kids. These udon noodles are so good. This is the first time I actually bought the big box. I usually buy them individual. Love udon noodles. Then look how cute these are. I got this 3-pack of succulents and they were $17.99. And then we got this big thing of paper plates. The Consumer Report said that the Kirkland brand has the best laundry detergent. So I don't know, we haven't used this one before. We also picked up the fabric sheets thin sweater by Adidas over there. I think it was like $17. And last but not least, we got a huge thing of paper towels. So here's our fridge right now. I am not the biggest fan of fridges like this. I can't organize really good in here because things get lost back there. That's when you start forgetting about things. We actually ended up buying another fridge to go in the garage. I'm gonna show you guys the garage. You guys remember when we did this video? Of course it's winter time now, so we're not sitting out here. I'm not about that life. Okay, so here's our fridge here in the garage. It's a Whirlpool. Hasn't even been a year since we've had it. We got this fridge because the fridge in our house is a side-by-side and it does no good for us. My husband likes to grill out a lot. Family is always visiting. It's not really full right now because we don't have anything going on. Veggies up here. You guys saw that we bought Eggos, a huge thing of Eggos from Costco. Nuggets that we got from Costco, and then we have some cheese sticks in here. Nothing is on the door right now. Here's what our fridge looks like right now. It's super bare, but I thought I would still show you guys. My husband prepares like ribs or burgers or like kebabs. He'll put them in here. He doesn't have to run in and out of the house for, you know, stuff that he needs for the grill. We love sparkling water. There's a little drawer right there we don't use. Most of this is just for food prep, overflow, drinks, things like that. I'm definitely gonna clean the outside of this fridge. There's like fingerprints all over it. All right, so now we're gonna clean the fridge in the house. Like I said earlier, I'm not doing a deep clean in this video, but I am gonna do that in a separate video when I organize under my sink, so stay tuned for that. So now we're going to share with you guys everything my husband picked up from Harris Teeter, which is a grocery store right next to our house. I feel like it's best for us to go weekly to the grocery store because we do a lot of packing lunches and breakfasts for school and work. I also cook dinner every night, so this is when I would get my ingredients that I might need for dinners for that week. We do at times go grocery shopping every 2 weeks. That's a much bigger haul. So if you guys want to see a huge grocery haul, let me know down in the comments.
Of course we got these because Blake was with me You said get pizzas, so I got them. It's been on that cheese pizza stuff. This is my favorite. I was thinking like, what if I don't want to share? So I got them theirs, but you always get them. At least I remember seeing you get the red pack, so I got these. And Blake picked out, you wanted salami. It was the only one I found. Frozen veggies are a go-to. The cheese to go with the salami.
Oh, a smorgasbord.
This is part of their snacks, the tomatoes. These were buy one, get one free.
Those are so good.
Set figure 2 for me.
Butter noodles.
Butter noodles. Got you the jalapeno stuff. Blake picked this up. I don't even know why.
Organic A to Z noodles.
You said get that for Brayden, so I got a couple for lunch. Ran out. I got the one with less sugar, like you said. Harris Teeter brand, always the cheapest. When I make my ribs and I put my brown sugar, I like to. Blake randomly picked this out, but you know it's 99 cents, so. Great. I can only find, there's no like good size, so I got the plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna use it for my tzatziki sauce. Cumin seeds for our Indian rice. For the fried chicken tonight.
Best mashed potatoes.
We just add some butter, minced garlic. Best bread. This is the best $4.99 chicken. I mean, when I tell you, you just need some Texas Pete. Cheese, bananas. Found this Madagascar last time, and I can't stop eating it. More butter, onion, some cooking spray. Yep. We love it. Not sure if it really works, but it makes me feel like it washed something off. So. Blake with the Plus lotion, because he's going through a box a day right now. Got some chicken breast. I got some chicken thighs because I use both of those in our pressure cooker to make our...
Is it Mediterranean? The Mediterranean chicken?
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to show you guys how I quickly set up our fridge. This is without all of my pretty containers and decanters and all of that stuff that's usually put in here to organize. Like I said before, I just spot cleaned and then I just put everything back, kind of reorganized it a little bit. The first shelf, I like to use that for our milk and juice and coffee creamer. This shelf is for dinner ingredients that we are going to need for dinner that night and the following nights. I like to keep everything together. On the next shelf, I usually like to put berries and things that I need to wash with our veggie wash and put into a new container. And as you can see, our baking soda is in the back. Then we have a cheese drawer. We always have a bunch of cheese in the house. This shelf is usually for leftovers. I put my yogurt here because I ran out of space at the top. Then I have more fruit in this drawer, and then the last one, spinach, salad mix, kale, and fresh veggies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.